Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Unyistitches. Thank you so much to my returning subscribers and to my new audience. Thank you for stopping by. Please help us by subscribing to our channel. In today's tutorial, we want to learn how to fix our invisible zipper without a zipper foot. So if you feel interested, let's go straight into the tutorials. First of all, for you to make your work easier, you can try and have your invisible zipper foot, but in the absence of your invisible zipper foot, you can use your regular foot for fixing your invisible zipper. So what you will need is your invisible zipper, your scissors, your chalk. This is my blue color chalk, your roller, and the cloth that you want to fix. You need your tape rule as well. So first of all, you mark your zipper allowance. When you mark your zipper allowance, you determine where you want the zipper to stop. For mine, this is where I want the zipper to stop, from up to here. So I will go to my sewing machine and join the down part first before the next step. This is the invisible zipper I am using. So the secret of fixing your invisible zipper is that when you want to fix it, you open it up. When you open it, you bend this, your zipper tip. When you bend it, you will see some dotted lines, very tiny. Just follow it gently. When you follow the dotted lines, then you will see that your zip is very neat after fixing it. So after joining the down part, the next thing you will do is for you to transfer the zipper allowance to your right side. Make sure that the chalk you are using will not stain the cloth. It will come out easily. Do same to this other side. Then I'll go ahead to pin my zipper. Make sure that the right side of the zipper is facing down and the right side of your fabric is facing down as well. So just bend this way, pin your zipper on the zipper allowance, pin this other side as well. So let's go to our sewing machine and do the sewing. I said it earlier, when you want to sew it, make sure that you bend your zipper tip. Bend it very well, then you will see some dotted lines. Then follow your dotted lines. By doing so, you'll see it will make it easier for you. Make sure you go slowly. When you go slowly, you'll be able to do it so that you don't climb on your zipper tip. So I'll finish sewing this first side of my zipper. So now I will go ahead and sew this other side. I'll fix the zipper. This is the back side and this is the front. Can you see how neat the zipper is? See our zipper, it looks so beautiful. Can you see? Yes, close. Can you see? Can you see? Very neat. See it. So what I will say when fixing your invisible zipper, one of the secrets is for you to have patience and then go slowly, follow the line. And once you bend your zipper tip, just follow that line. Slowly, you will see that you will fix it very neat. Then another thing is consistency. When once you fix maybe the first time, the second time, the third time, you fix it perfectly. But the first time, if you follow this tutorial, you will do it perfectly. So go and give it a try. Then come to the comment section. Let me know how it was. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more sewing tutorials. See you on our next video. Bye bye.